today's video we'll see how to use a simple conditional formatting. For example, if I am having here good, it should come in green. If it is bad, it should be in red. So that first we have to go to conditional formatting, select on new rules, go to format only cells with that contains and click on specific text, type here bad and format, and we have multiple formatting conditions here. So that I'll go to fill, I'll select red and click OK and OK, and select in the similar way new rules, cells contain, come here specific text, good, format, green, OK, OK. Now in this particular cell there is multiple rules. Now if I give good, it will change into green. If I give bad, it will change into red. Friends, next we will see how to create a conditional formatting for the dependable cell. For example, here we are having bad, this E6 should become red. If it is good in D6, then it should become green. For that we have to go to conditional formatting, new rule, select the last option, use a formula, give the formula here, if D6 is equals to, just remove this dollar symbol and copy this formula, go to formatting, select red, OK, OK. Now again go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula, paste the formula which we have previously copied, change this one to good, go to formatting, select green. Now if I change here into good, this E6 cell has become green. Now if I copy paste this one anywhere in the Excel file, it will work. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.